Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a follow-up TA of Cake. Let's jump straight into the TA of Cake and let's look at the weekly chart, guys. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know I have been very bearish at the start. You guys can check my videos out about Cake when it was going up because I saw a lot of corrective, I saw a lot of signs in the TA. So I was telling you guys that a lot of people didn't like that, but that was just the truth. Now I'm beginning to switch to, a bullish sign when everyone runs away and so on. Now the real money can be made, right? Now we need to see where the bottom is for Cake. We need to see if Cake can go up and perform like last, or if Cake just going to go sideways. Guys, let's find out. Let's jump straight into the weekly chart, guys, and look at the formation which is formed here in the weekly. We can see there's a bullish godly forming right here. Guys, that is a bullish signal, of course. That doesn't mean that it can go lower than this. Let's not make any mistake here, guys. It can go lower, but the chance for upside increase with these kind of formation, especially with the godly, bullish godly, which is a reversal. However, if Bitcoin corrects itself, you bet your ass that all coins will follow, such as Cake and so on, because they are very volatile and they're very correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin dumps yet again, Cake will go lower. And don't fool yourself, guys. We are still in a downtrend. And guys, like I said about fooling yourself, remember the crypto trader cheat sheet I showed you last time. Again, don't be fooled. We can still go lower. We need to see people give up. People who are truthful to Cake say, you know what, this is a scam, we don't want it anymore. Because when that happens and when we really find the bottom, guys, that is where the real money will be. Because again, don't be fooled, we are in the bear market with Cake. Cake have been going sideways, not sideways, downtrend. Sorry for that. It have been going to downtrend at the moment. We need to find the bottom. If we yet again go back to the weekly, look at the volume, we are not seeing anything crazy. We are seeing sell volume go above this average volume. However, nothing crazy yet again. We want it to go sideways, slowly increasing to make this explosive move to the upside, right? When we see some kind of, we see some kind of like this. Do you guys see this? Some kind of big volume spiking up. This is the volume you want to see. However, in the RSI, guys, we are seeing a huge bullish divergence unfolding, guys. Do you guys see this? Price goes action on the below here is going something like that. And if you look at the RSI, it's going something like that. That is a bullish divergence, my friends. So every time it hits, it goes up. Every time it hits, it goes up and so on. It will soon hit yet again. It will soon bounce back up. How high? We don't know. And that is why I made this descending down channel. As you guys see here, that's 3 lines. The one is resistance, median line. This one mid is called, and the last one is called support, right? So every time it's hitting the support, you're going up, resistance, something like that. We need to see it break over. When it's break, yeah, then we have a higher chance for upside. But at the moment, let's not get fooled, guys. It is in a down channel. We are going down before we see a breakout. A fast look at the RSI stock, we are getting oversold area, guys. Remember when we were oversold here, do you guys remember? We accumulating a lot before we saw an explosive move to the upside, all right? And yet again, we are getting, in the oversold area, but we need to be there bit more, to consolidate and so on before we see an explosive move to the upside. But yet again, guys, everything depends on Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. If you enjoy my content, remember to subscribe, remember to hit the alert button, like button, and guys, comment anything you like. I know a lot of people watch my content without subscribing, guys. It doesn't mean anything to you, but it means the world to me. Anyway, let's go back to the TA. Let's keep looking at the weekly chart, guys, and let's look at the price action and the last candlestick. The candlestick had not closed yet, guys. There's still 2 days left and 3 hours, as you guys can see. But what does that mean? No one is talking about this. Guys, it can be an inverted hammer, which is a reversal pattern, or it can be something else, guys. I will show you right in a second. If you just look at the inverted hammer is pretty much a reversal, right? It means there's a lot of buyers at the moment trying to push the price up, all right? Shooting star, that's something different. We don't have to take it as a bearish signal. However, we are having a inverted hammer which increased the chance for upside. Keep that in mind, guys. Also, we have something else, guys. We have something like this, all right? This can also be characterized as a doji star, all right? This is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, all right? It's mostly found in downtrend, guys. Can be found in uptrend also, but this is in a downtrend, guys. This is yet again in the weekly, a bullish formation and bullish sign to increase the possibility for an uptrend. Instead, you know, we need to break out of the downtrend we are in at the moment and go to the upside. When we do that, a lot more people will FOMO in cake. At the moment, people are just running away and selling away because they are getting fearful, guys. But they don't understand the most money are made when you DCA where you're down or when you buy at the fear, guys. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Remember that, I always tell you guys that. But anyway, guys, if you look at the Doji Star, it is looking good. But remember, there's still 2 days, 3 hours. So a lot of things can change. This candlestick can change formation and be something else. But at the moment, it is looking like an inverted hammer and a Doji Star. However, guys, last thing, if we look at the 21 SMA, 30 and 50 SMA, we guys can see we are below them. All right, that's really important to understand. That usually indicate that we are in a bear trend. All right, we're in a bear market for this specific altcoin. It's important to understand, it's important to acknowledge your feelings and say, you know what, it is what it is. I can DC my way down. I'm not trying to be a bear or bull or anything like that. I'm just saying what I see in the chart. Let's go to the daily, guys. And before we go to the daily, let's just look at this. If you've been following my channel, you know exactly what it is. This is where your emotions are, guys. We are human. This is very normal. The human psychology is very normal, right? The price are driven by these emotions. The best thing you can do for yourself is try to minimize these kind of emotion. You can never, you know, remove your emotion. You're a human being like everyone else, but you can minimize it by, like I do. I changed the green and red color to white and blue because I am very driven by emotion. If I lose a lot, 10,000, 50,000, I get emotionally attached to it, right? So personally for me, I know these, I acknowledge them, but I can't control them. So to control them, for me, I change these colors. I'm just honest with myself because I know I win a lot more trades if I do these kind of things. So again, acknowledge where you're at when you invest, right? If you begin to have these kind of feelings up or down, if you can acknowledge them, you'll be a lot better positioned yourself and you're a lot better trader in the long term and the short term, guys. But again, guys, always remember to do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. I'm only trying to give you some kind of inspiration. So do your own due diligence, like I said before, or you might get yourself wrecked. Now, guys, let me show you something else. As you guys remember, if you've been following my channel, the 4th December, there was a dump by Bitcoin, all right? And let me just show you some kind of example, how a lot of altcoins fell, how much they fell, and let's compare it to Cake, all right? So let's look at it. 4th December, all right? Let's take Phantom. Look, I'm a fan of Phantom, but let's take it as an example, all right? We can see Phantom fell 41% gain up, right? And now is around 28% down from a previous high at the 4th December, all right? Very normal. All coins have done similarly, all right? Some have done better, some have done worse. So that's apparently average. Let's look at Cake, right? So let's just look at Cake. Move that. Let's have a fast look at Cake. 4th December was right here, all right? So it was there and went down. Look, guys, 21%, so half of it lost, right? Not like Phantom, but all the altcoins went up again. And we are talking about 14% at the moment, guys, 14%. Now, this actually gives me a lot more confirmation and confidence that we are bottoming out with Cake. We might see more in the downtrend because, yet again, let us not fool ourselves. We are still in a downtrend and we're still trying to find the bottom. But we can see we had a lot more support right there because we fell 20%, still a lot. But compared to the altcoins, which fall 50, 60, 70%, Cake fell 20 because Cake was in a downtrend while other altcoins were booming, right? You guys, if you have a holding Cake, you will notice how much you guys have suffered, right? You are the true veteran, you're the true elitist in Cake. But you guys just, a lot of people have staked Cake and just, minted Cake and so on. So this just confirmed that Cake still have great support. We are nearing the support area. I do believe we still have some downtrend before we see more upside. Fast look at the fear and greed index, guys. We are still in extreme fear 24 yet again. We have not seen these kind of lows since mid-May, maybe September also, but mostly mid-May. If you look at the altcoin season index, we are not nearly in the altcoin season. We are getting closer to Bitcoin season actually, which means that Bitcoin will outperform the altcoins. So be aware of this, guys. I honestly believe that Cake is very undervalued in my opinion. I believe yet again we are in a downtrend, we are in a bear market with Cake, but we just need to see it go sideways so we can know this is the accumulation phase, right? Where we can accumulate more Cake to the upside. Now, if you believe in this project, that's not a problem. If you disbelieve it, guys, then DCA your way out, Don't try to catch a falling knife because you can, and don't try to convince yourself that it will goes up if you don't believe in the project, right? In my TA, I believe in my TA, I believe in long term it will still give good. However, if we go below $8, the account I did with Elliott Wave would get invalidated. Thank you for watching the TAFK, guys. If you enjoy my content, guys, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the alert button, join our free Telegram group, guys. Comment anything you like, and as always, guys, see you in the Telegram.